The enterprise connectivity challenge is evolving day by day, almost hour by hour at this point. So many of our enterprise customers are trying to figure out what a unified communication platform means to them. They have their own homegrown applications that reside within their own data centers or within their own offices. So it's a very complex and ever-changing, and a simple change in a new database may completely change what the center of your network gravity is. Global Capacity has been very successful in building dedicated custom networks for clients. So instead of going to market with we have a protocol-based service or product, we really come at it as, let's build the enterprise their own network. Infrastructure is important. Let's identify where your core applications sit and make them the center of gravity within a network. That way, when new applications come in, we can identify how we bring them into the network versus, well, we'll get to you when we support that product set. Really, our solution is to provide the right infrastructure, and if you have the right infrastructure, laying on new technologies as we go forward is much easier. In 2012, we had spent the better part of 8 months building a custom network for a very large healthcare services company. During the process, building a dedicated network, we had identified what we thought would be the latency profiles, throughput, and how the network would perform compared to a traditional layer 3 service. I clearly remember the day that we first turned up service, and I remember asking the customer, how's the network performing? And the response was better than we ever imagined it would. And it was that moment that we realized that dedicated networks purpose-built for specific applications or specific enterprise were that much differentiated from just buying a product off the shelf and trying to put your application over it. And it's still my favorite moment, probably in my career, let alone just customer moment at Global Capacity.